All right, guys, welcome to the Monday direction video. On Friday, you guys took the quiz. If you haven't, make sure you take it, get your points for that. Today, switching gears, switching civilization, switching units, doing it all. Moving on to India, right? So if we're going back to look at India, we're going to go back in time a little bit from Rome. Okay, obviously, if we're talking about ancient India, it's going to start well before Rome, right? Because even with India, we'll see a little bit of like Alexander the Great time period, right? So we're going pretty far back. All right. So today I just want to again baseline reading guide here, just kind of setting the stage for us. So we'll read about it. We'll take notes on it a little bit later as well. All right. So what you're going to read about today is India's first empire. So we're going all the way back to the beginning now. All right. And the first one, the first group or empire we're going to look at is called the Marion Empire. All right. And it's by this guy, Gopta Maurya. All right. He's going to be the guy that we're going to be looking at. Now, it's going to be interesting because Chandra Space Gopta is going to be a guy that we're going to talk about too. So there's kind of two different guys that have literally the same name, except one is his first name only, and then the other guy, it's his first name and his last name. So it's really weird, but you'll pick it up pretty quick in the reading. I just want you guys to know that these are actually two different people, so you're not totally confused. Okay. So again, here we have the second part. So the first one's the Maurya Empire by Chandragupta Maurya is the ruler, and this empire is called the Gopta Empire, and it's by a guy named Chandra is his first name, Gopta is his last name. So it's interesting, it's weird, it can be confusing, but just know that they're two different people and that they're two different empires, and the best way to tell who's who is that their last name is the name of the empire. So for this guy, Chandragupta Maurya, his empire name is the Marians. Okay, so because it's his last name. And same thing down here for the Gopta Empire, his name, first name Chandra, last name Gopta. Okay, I just want to kind of make that clear. All right, so you're basically going to be looking at these two groups, these two empires to start. And you'll kind of go through here. So you'll obviously, these people are important. Chandra Space Gopta and Chandragupta Space Marion are two important people that we want to know for the quiz. Same thing for Ahsoka. All right, this guy we'll talk about a lot too. So you're gonna got three big names there. Just kind of read through it. Just gonna give you some good information on the baseline stuff. So when we take notes later on in the week, we won't be so confused. Okay, and we can dive a little bit deeper, and we don't have to spend all of our time just glazing over the surface because you guys would already know it. So same as always. You have the questions at the end here. We're skipping number 2. Okay, and we're skipping number 9. So don't worry about those two. All right, so you'll have the top of your sheet will just be all the terms. So it'll just be the term with like one sentence on what it is. And then questions 3, 4, and 5 on the main ideas. First question is, why was Ahsoka's first military campaign also his last? Interesting question. Who were the Tamil people, and what caused the fall of the Gopta Empire? So this is the second empire you'll read about. The critical thinking and writing, supporting opinions, which Indian ruler described in the section would you rather live under? So you're going to pick either Chandragupta Mauryan or you're going to choose Chandra Space Gopta. Okay, so you get those two options. Which one would you rather live under if you were like a civilian, and why? Always give why, right? The why is what I care about. I don't care who you pick. Just give me a logical reason why. Number 7, what impact did the Greeks, Persians, and Central Asians have on Indian life between the Marian and Gopta empires? This is where you'll see kind of the introduction of a separate group. So just list, or not list, I should say, write your full sentence out, but just give some examples inside your sentence, obviously. And the last question, analyzing issues, which empire, the Marian or the Gopta, had more significant impact on Indian history? So again, for number 8, I don't care which one you pick. Both have good options, or both have good reasons why. So just choose the one that you think has done the best job or did the best job, and just give me a couple reasons why. That's all I'm asking. Always back up your statements with a why. All right, that's all I care about. But that's it, guys. Here's day one. Just the reading guide on the two empires. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I should say, we'll see how trade impacts India a lot. We'll see different cultures come in, different religions come in, all these different things are going to be affecting India, and it all starts with trade. So that's going to be Tuesday's reading guide. It'll be all about the trade and how the trade game has definitely, how it did impact ancient India. But that's all I got, guys. Email me if you have any questions. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.